Hi there. We live in a crazy world whereby money makes everything go round. In essence, you need money for you to be able to lead a good life. But again, money is also driving people to the depth of insanity in this world. A good number of people out there are losing their minds because of chasing money. And even so, a good number of people out there have insane amounts of money and they have actually lost their touch with the world. That's why I'm making this video to share with you 5 pointers which you need to remember all the time in pursuit of you making money. Yes, go ahead, make money because money is good. And even so, I really encourage you to build generational wealth. The kind of money which you can pass down to generations and so forth. The kind of businesses which can really grow to serve a huge human need and so forth. But also be keen. That's why I'm making this video for you. You are all much welcome to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afadza Sifuna. And by the way, if you are new here and you like videos around making money, investing, personal finance, remember to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe for you to be catching up on awesome videos I make each and every day. And also, I still add it, please remember to drop a like on this video. When you like this video, it's gonna reach many more people out there. Thanks for subscribing and also liking this video. Having said that, let's take a step back. First of all, we understand why the money makes the world go round. And then I'm going to talk about 5 things which you need to have in mind all the time in pursuit of you making money. Guys, money is actually a tool of trade in this world. In other words, you need something of value, it is anchored in money. For example, you might need, for example, to buy a given piece of item out there. Maybe you go to the supermarket, you need, for example, to buy cooking oil, okay? That is money you're gonna spend because the value of this cooking oil is actually anchored in money. Another example, maybe you want to go to school to advance your education. That particular education you want to advance is valuable and also it has its own monetary comparison. That's why you need to pay school fee for you to be able to obtain that education. In essence, money is the anchorage of value in this world. And there is a reason as to why that's the case. It is so because this world is a competitive place. All of us can't have the same amount of money, okay? That's why through the competition out here, people have different levels of money. But also with that, we see pressure in our society whereby people aspire to be like those who have the most awesome of possessions in this world. For example, those who have their own private jets, those who have millions of dollars and so forth. A good number of people, more so those in the bottom of the pyramid, because the bottom of the pyramid actually constitutes over 90% of the people out there, aspire to be like the ones with a lot of money. And of course, also, by the labor order of this world, these at the bottom of the pyramid continue to work so hard for those at the top of the pyramid to continue gaining and gaining. If you don't understand how money works and also how the order is out here, you could end up pursuing an elusive thing, which in ultimate sense, you're going to spend your entire life working very hard and even so working in very crazy proportions. And in essence, you are actually enriching those who are rich out there. That's why these 5 pointers are going to really assist you. And the first pointer is that, guys, plan your budget and ensure you actually live within your means. What do I mean? Out here, there isn't any money which is actually sufficient, okay? You need to plan yourself very well with what you have. You could, for example, be earning $1,000 each and every month. Plan yourself within that. Ensure you budget for that money. And I'm saying so because through budgeting, you can actually avoid some of the pressures out there. Like, for example, pressures of you going to borrow from a very scrupulous sources out there. You, for example, going out there to get deeper and deeper in liabilities and so forth. So plan with what you have and actually work within that. If you can be able to make a budget, stick by this budget, you're going to be surprised to what extent this budget is going to do miracles for you. That's so because you're going to have the money to cater for your expenses. You can even be able to unlock money for you to be able to even enjoy luxury. And even so, you can be able to unlock money for you to be able to invest in assets out there. That's how awesome budgeting is. More so if you can abide by these particular budgets. And then the second tip for you is that know something called contentment. What do I mean? In essence, you being satisfied with what you have. Guys, this world we're living in is a very ridiculous world because at any time you are at a particular level, and regardless where you are, someone is ahead of you and even many more people are beneath you. That you need to understand. And even with that, count your blessings each and every day and understand something called contentment. Live within contentment. In other words, whichever small you're getting, know how to become satisfied with that. And I'm saying so because there is no need, for example, you pursuing to own a private jet out there and end up overstretching yourself or even getting illegal activities which are going to really cost you or even strain your health in pursuit of material being. Guys, learn to appreciate what you have. I'm not saying you don't need to be ambitious. Be ambitious, but also be ambitious in the realm of reality. Don't overstretch yourself to the extent that you go out there doing crazy things in the hope of amassing abnormal wealth, and yet you have very simple enablers around you, and even so, you can lead a happy life based on what you have. Learn contentment and hopefully things are gonna be okay for you. And then guys, the third thing, which actually most people out there ignore in pursuit of making money, is you need to ensure you check on your health. Health is your wealth. Guys, there's no need of going out there, straining your body, straining your mind, straining everything around you in pursuit of money, and ultimately end up using this money, for example, to cater for your hospital bills. Go out there, do what you have to do in pursuit of earning a living, in pursuit of you being able to invest, but also check on your health. And I'm saying so because you need to, for example, be able to catch on good number of hours of sleep each and every day. You need to be able to rest. You need to be able to exercise. You need to be able to even be able to do annual checkup with regards to your health, so that you ensure your health is in good frame. Because there's no need of you pursuing money and yet in reality you are a walking dead. Guys, a lot of people out here have health issues. They don't know, but it's just a matter of time before everything in their body blows up. Go out there, pursue money, be ambitious, live within your means, but also check on your health. Be very deliberate with regards to what you eat, how you exercise, your mental state of mind, okay? Also be very deliberate with regards to how you sleep, how you rest, how you go out there to spend time with people and so forth. Guys, your health is your wealth. So ensure you check on your health even in pursuit of wealth, and ultimately wealth is gonna be able to follow suit. And then the fourth thing, which also relates to health, is that guys, ensure you have a creative outlet. What do I mean? Don't just go very hard on yourself. Ensure you have spare time to do the things you love. To give you an example, maybe you like to play a game. Maybe you like to swim. Maybe you like to go out there to dance and so forth. Ensure you have a creative outlet. And I'm saying so because in a daily life, as long as you're an adult, you're going to encounter stressful situations out there. How do you cope with the stressful situations? If you don't have a very constructive way of coping with them, you might end up delving deeper into the negatives of coping with them. For example, you could end up becoming an alcoholic, not because you want to drink alcohol, but because you don't have a constructive way of dealing with the pressures which you're dealing with. And yet, a simple thing like, for example, even going out there to jog for 30 minutes, you going to the gym, you, for example, going to swim, could assist you reduce the levels of stress. So, develop creative outlets which can assist you cope with the pressures you're going through in life. And this is going to go a long way towards assisting you be okay. Don't continue pursuing material wealth out there, and yet you are neglecting your mental well-being. You are neglecting your health out there. Guys, have a creative outlet, because a creative outlet does magic. And by the way, if you didn't know, a good number of employers out there have even in recent times introduced forceful. Of course, it is voluntary, but somewhat forceful, because they have games at their workplace. This is a way of telling you, after you've worked hard the entire day, catch a few minutes, go out there, play a few games with friends. Go out there, let your mind ease. Go out there, let your body relax, so that you can be able to be fresh and even so have the new energies for you to pursue more and more ambitious things, but also ensuring your health and mental health is in good place. And then the fifth and last thing I want to share with you guys is that in pursuit of money, in pursuit of wealth out there, always ensure you prioritize your family. What do I mean? At the end of the day, your family comes first. Yes, I said it. Your family comes first. You could go out there, guys, move around the world, circumnavigate the world the extent you want, get all the material wealth you want, but ultimately you're gonna come back to your family. It is your family which is gonna be with you through thick and thin. Your colleagues are not your friends, guys. Your colleagues are not your family. It is your immediate family, your children, your parents, your wife, your partner, you name it. These are the people who are gonna be with you in thick and thin. So ensure you prioritize your family. And I'm saying so because most people out here are working very hard. You find someone out there working 9 to 5 each and every day. They carry, for example, their laptop, they come home. They just eat dinner, even they're disconnected from their family. They continue working. Guys, what are you chasing? What exactly are you chasing? Because looks like you are out there pursuing money, going very hard at it, but also you are even so pushing your family far and far away from you. Ensure you have time for your family, because when it's all said and done, you're gonna be with your family. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you have gotten a thing or two which you're gonna inculcate in your pursuit of making money, in your pursuit of building wealth, so that you build wealth in a very sane way, so that you don't end up in a trap whereby people out here are rich but they are extremely depressed. People out here have money but they have lost their sanity. Guys, pursue wealth out here in the realm of reality, and also ensure you safeguard your health, you safeguard your mental well-being, you safeguard the relationships you have with your family and the closest of friends. Cheers, and I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, guys.